Joe and I took down this hemlock tree a couple weeks ago and cleaning up some of the branches now. We have a no burn season here, so we can't have any bonfires or burn any brush throughout the summer months, just to keep the wildfires down, or not at all, hopefully. So we're just burning some of this brush now to get it out of the way. And this was a huge hemlock tree. It's in one of our previous videos. I'll share a link to the video here. And yeah, just kind of satisfying to watch the smoke go up and listen to the crackling of the fire and Joe's chainsaw in the background. Have a great day. Please hit subscribe and follow along.